Hi everyone, as a co-chair of the Asia Pacific HIV Clinical HIV Forum, going to be held on 14 to 15 June next month. So I think with this HIV Clinical Forum, what we're going to learn together is a number of very interesting topics. New treatment options that we're going to hear a lot more from our outstanding speaker from different parts of the world. Secondly, how to manage HIV co-infection. So that's also have some issue to learn more compared to years ago. And then last but not least, it's very important part of this HIV Clinical Forum is the HIV prevention. So there's a lot more to learn about these three areas of HIV management and care, including prevention as well. So don't forget to join our Asia Pacific HIV Clinical Forum, 14 and 15 of June. See you soon.